Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's go ahead and open this one up here and see what we got. Okay, in case you're new to this, this is a monthly subscription that's actually a kit for 2 pieces of jewelry. It's usually a necklace and a bracelet, and right here is a link to a video tutorial. Open this up and you'll see the link. Just put it into your search and it'll pop right up. The tutorials for these projects are extremely easy and I'm always very satisfied with the end result. Okay, so first thing in the box is bead stringing wire. Okay. And then we have, oh my gosh, there's going to be some epic beads. Some of those I've never seen before. Okay, I'll get distracted. We have, it looks like 2 pieces of extension chain. Yeah. So it's probably going to be a necklace and a bracelet, unless this is part of the design. Because that could also be possible. Okay, so there's that. And here are some leaf beads and check leaves. And if you've watched my YouTube channel, then you should know that I am obsessed with check and flower beads. I actually have storage boxes just for my check and flower beads. These are crystal or clear AB. And they are gorgeous. I've always liked these with the AB finish on it, because sometimes the finish will be on the back or on the front, like this one. Okay, so I ended up with 2 that have on the front and 2 in the back. But look at how neat they look. Both of them look really cool. I use these in my beaded flowers all the time. I actually have a ton of these in my stash. Yeah, I don't have this color though. Out of all the colors, I don't have that one. We have some oval jump rings, which in my opinion are the best because they're very strong compared to the round ones. Okay, and then we have 2 8mm split rings. We have some bell flowers. This is like a milk glass. White with blue wash in the details. These are super tiny flowers, by the way. The really small ones. Okay, so there's those. And it looks like they have new bags. Their old bags had a red line up here. I always reuse these bags. I peel the sticker off and I reuse them, and I think I'm actually out of this size right now. These look like 3mm spacer beads in silver. There are some incredible check beads in that box. I cannot wait to see them. See that there? All of them went through the hole. Okay, so that's that. And then, let me just show you. I don't know if you could see them or not. Right here, I'm skipping ahead. Look at these. Now, I saw these one other time. There's another bead in there that I've never seen before. But anyways, I have this bead, not in this color, but it is incredible. I want to say it's a new bead. Wow. This is white AB, which I never see, super rare, with a blue wash. The AB is on both sides. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this design. There's a not a necklace. I need a bracelet. Long time back, with a bead that's shaped like this. It's flat on each side. And I used it for the center, and I did chain on the sides. I'm going to go look for that picture and put it up now. Now, I did use a lot of those beads in the bracelet, and I only have 4 here. There's actually more in there. But if you want, you can go and put this code in, buy these beads, and I think they will work in that bracelet, and they would look so cool. So these are amazing. They kind of look like a cloud to me. Like a fancy cloud you would see in a cartoon or something. I don't know. They're really gorgeous. Okay, and I'm going to skip ahead again because I want to look at this one. Wow. Look at that. So here they are again, but in pink. I wonder if they have these in purple. I love pink, the turquoise blue, and purple together. Yes. Oh my god. This seems even more like rainbowy. Look at these two right here. Look at the color. Yeah. Yeah, it does seem like that. Because look, this one here. I'm thinking this is AB. Maybe it's not AB. I don't know. But these are amazing, man. I love these. I wonder if they make these in Picasso. Those are epic. And I'll show you both of them side by side because they're just so darn cool. I love those. Okay, I'm going to jump ahead again because I really want to see this. Wow. I guess this is a flower. It's a really neat shape. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Yeah, I don't have this flower. So the hole goes right through here. See it right there? These are so awesome. I love the color. And I do think that if you go online to buy these, by the way, they will have more of them than what's here, because this is for a design, right? So if you go online to buy these, they will be more. And by the way, I've been thinking about putting individual links to all of the stuff that I get in the BohemStyle and the Czech Beads exclusive box. I've been thinking about taking all the links and putting them down there below the description bar, because last time I got this box, somebody commented and they were bummed out because I did not show the code here in the video, and I didn't realize that I didn't, and I usually do. But sometimes I forget because I go through a lot, as you can see here. So I've been thinking about putting the codes to everything I get in this box and the Czech Beads exclusive box down there below the description bar. And if there's a bead here that you want, but you don't want to buy this subscription box, maybe you don't want to make the piece, but you want the bead, I've been thinking about putting links down there for you guys, in case you want to go get some of these beads for yourself or maybe a different project or something. So let me know what you think about that. I think I will do that for this video. I'll go ahead and do that, and I need to remember to do it before I make this project to record everything. But yeah, I've been thinking about doing that for you guys in case you like something from this box. So here's some more, and let me know if you want me to do that, because it is a lot of work for me to do that. And if you don't care about it, then I won't do it. But if you're interested in some of the things I get in these boxes, then I would like to do that for you guys. Alright? So here are some more bell flowers. This is a milky glass with pink wash. I wonder if these are going to be like end caps. You know what I'm saying? Like near the closure or something. Those are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have an empty bag. This happened last time and there was a hole in the bag. Yes, right there. See that? There's a hole right there. So whatever's in there has escaped into the box. There it is. It's my lobster claw. Yep. Okay, so there's a lobster claw. I'll probably put that in with my jump ring so I don't lose that. And then we have 3mm Czech fire polish beads. Alright, so I'll start in the pile. And then we have crimp tubes. And then these, oh my gosh, these are tulips. So these are new to me also. I've only recently started getting these this year, but I've always seen them big, like pretty big. Okay, like these flowers, they're pretty big tulips. But these here are tiny, so this is the first time I've seen them in this smaller size. And these are absolutely stunning. Look at the color. These are so precious. I love those. Oh my gosh, this is going to be such a fun piece. And I like that they're doing white with it. White, pink, and blue. No way. I don't have these in my stash. I've never seen them in this color. It's AB on both sides. The leaves. Right? Wow. Look at these. Man, these would look amazing in my flower rings. I'm gonna go look for a picture of the flowers that I make using these leaves and put it up now. Can you imagine these leaves, this color here, and those flowers? They are so pretty. And in those flowers I've made in the past, I did the lentil beads with a peacock finish. With these, that would look so cool. Okay, those are crazy amazing. Oh, it looks like there is another lobster claw right here. Okay, so there's two. And then here's my last baggie of these flowers. Yeah. Okay, here they are in blue. I can't wait to see this design made up. These are so cool. I wonder what the name of this flower is. I can go on their site and see. Aren't those pretty? The color is amazing. I think it's AB finish, but I do want to go and see if it is. It's double-sided AB, I think. Those are incredible. I'm loving these beads. All of these colors. These are my colors. I put pink and blue together all the time. This pink is incredible. So we have two flowers, okay? These big flowers, these coin-looking flowers. We have two of those. We have two of these. We have two leaves. We have two bellflowers. This tulip one here is the only one that we have one of. We don't have that one in blue. Right? So here's everything. And like I said, I'm thinking about putting links to everything I got here individually down there. Like I'm going to put the subscription box, of course, the whole box. That will be the first link, right, for this video. If you want to go and get this box, you can make this project. But I'm also thinking about putting individual links for each bead in case you want to go and get like these beads, or maybe you want those, or maybe you want the leaves or the tulips. So let me know what you think about that down in the comments. So please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.